At a meeting held between the MLA of MAWSYNRAM constituency, HIMA SHANGPLIANG, the President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MAWKYNREW block, Kansing Lyngshiang, and members of the Farmers Union, various discussions had taken place on the plight of farmers, wherein their livelihood had been affected to a great extent. Briefing the media on similar lines was the President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, MAWKYNREW block, Kansing Lyngshiang, who stated that the agricultural policy of the government in relation to marketing of products has failed considerably, and this has resulted in the exploitation of farmers whose wholesale rate of agricultural produce has been quashed to the minimum as compared to other areas where the rate is higher. Lyngshiang also informed that the recently formed Joint Action Committee of the East Khasi Hills farmers of MAWKYNREW, Nongkrem and MAWKYNREW would continue in their fight for the rights of farmers in the area.
Dia kata nak try undang hira balak melen ni kata. Idon ki tinggi di tip tu balong pun kata. Tebalik kali dia kumni kayo kumla keren mana. Kani kayo kalong namar pa hi mentah the government teralong kamdam syu kata kaji seni ahli di bentenya ia kini kakam. Kalau seni man hamado ramano bentenya ia kini kakam. Daga bersaing keren. Dia habang government kamdam ke polisi na bentah ke rap keren bentenya ia ia kimarap. Kamu kadai kata, kamu pencincar, ya kerja per, nak kawai kayau, nak kawai keblok, sekawai pat, nama pakemdan jasa kami mau support price. Jadi nama kata kadau, kini kerja yap jeng kayau, pat kerja nak kawai sekawai, kemdan ke balance, ya kinong di, bat kinong set, bat kebakut yap ki nong red. Dah bayap ki nong red kadau bak kemdan ketu kami mau support price. Tengah aja mut, ya kegoben, bakadai banbu tak kami mau support price, bat kini kayau. Om dan syuk pejing sak nyateng ya unong di lani ya unong tet. Lekum bakalong mata ke government telah fail hal bedai bak ke kamrat ke polisi dan ke kum bakalong mata ya kinorat kalau di pental. Jadi kita iman banget lawan penyiap herbali ke yo satu kalong jadi kamlong di namar bau dan polisi yang ada yang besar.